To fix a slow cooker that's not getting hot enough, start by plugging the power cord properly into a functioning power socket. Next, double-check that the temperature is set correctly and adjust the temperature control as needed. It's also essential to ensure the lid is securely closed to retain heat. If the issue persists, try testing the slow cooker on a different power source. If it still doesn't work, plug it out from the power outlet and examine it for cracks, replacing it if necessary. Flip the cooker over. Remove the base, which is usually fastened with nuts, screws, or clips, and take out the base and wire connectors to test the electrical cord. Identify the heating elements, unplug the electrical wires, and test them. Once you've identified the problem, reassemble the slow cooker after replacing the heating components or electrical wire as necessary. By following these simple steps, you can easily repair your slow cooker and get it working again.